Hello, assalamu alaikum. Today we have very interesting in logical exponential equation when the bases are same in the square root form and power are different in the square root form. How we can calculate the value of x and y is unknown. So 2 square root is we can write 1 by 2. This is this value of square root, and here is the base is 2. X square root minus 2 is the base, and square root is we can write 1 by 2. Y square root is equal to 48. Now according to the double exponent rule, x exponent of m whole exponent of n is equal to x m n. According to this rules we can apply in here. So this is considered m and this is considered n. Consider m n. Similarly in here consider is m and this will be n. If according to this rule we are multiply both exponent to 1 by 2 into x square root minus 2 and 1 by 2 and y square root is equal to 48. Now we can write this term x square root divided by 2 minus 2 y square root divided by 2 is equal to 48. Now this 48 we can write this 48 we can write 64 minus 16, so we get 48. Now we try to make the basis, and first of all we change 48, write 64 minus 16 we can write 2 exponent of x square root divided by 2 minus 2 exponent of y square root divided by 2 is equal to 64 minus 16. So we get 48, and also 64 we can write 2 exponent of 6 and 16 we can write 2 exponent of 4. We can get the same result. Now here the base and base are compared to each other, so bases are same, so we are comparing their exponent x square root divided by 2 is equal to 6, and other one is y square root divided by 2 is equal to 4. We multiply this 2 in here, x square root is equal to 2 into 6, and similarly y square root is equal to 2 into 4. This will be equal to 8 and this will be equal to 12. Now we try to finish the value of square root. We are taking square on both sides, y square root square is equal to 8 square. So for equal to 12 square we can 144, and similarly this is also cancelled, and y is equal to 64. So this is the solution of x and y. Now we are trying to find their verification, how we can. Now we try to check this result. 2 square root, and in place of x square root we put in here 144 square root minus 2 square root, and y square root we put 64 square root is equal to 48 is the question marks. Now 2 square root and 44 we can write 12 square root minus 2 square root and 8 square root is equal to 48. Now both are cancelled, this is also cancelled. 2 square root whole exponent of 12 minus 2 square root whole exponent of 8 is equal to 48 is the question.